Hey guys, just want to make this quick video for y'all. So this is a bowl. It's a small little bowl, and it probably fits maybe 2 or 3, maybe 4 of these tablespoons. This is a tablespoon. So I've got about a tablespoon of kibble, or a half tablespoon of kibble, which is this. I got some cooked leftover turkey from Thanksgiving, some slivers there, some raw chicken, and some slivers of cooked liver. Just wanted to make that video for y'all real quick and just see what babies are getting to eat when you bring your baby home. You know, just some ideas of what you can give them. All right, hope you have a great one.